Hi guys, how's everybody doing? So from the title of this video, you can tell what this video is going to be about. I'm going to show you guys how to make a mask. This is actually one of the hospital ones, but I'm going to use fabric, regular fabric, and then elastic bands for this part. So if you want to see how to make these very, good mask that you can wash and reuse, because these ones are actually like not really reusable. So if you want to know how to make these masks, keep watching. I'm using my Singer Simple Sewing Machine. So this is the fabric I'm going to use. I have my pattern here, which is the mask, some scissors, elastic bands, and a tape measure. Okay, so as you can see, once you stretch this out, this becomes bigger, and that's where your nose and your mouth goes. So when you're cutting your fabric, what I'm gonna do is measure how long the mask itself is stretched out. So it is about 7 inches. So that's what we're gonna cut. We're not gonna cut, this amount, because this is only 4, as you can see. But you need it stretched out. So yeah. Gonna measure, and then you still need some space around it. So I'm gonna measure 7, and then I'm gonna add another 1.5 inches. That's for the length. And then the width is another 7 inches. I'm gonna add another 1.5 inches. I have my chalk here, so I'm gonna mark that measurement. Okay. So now I'm going to cut it. Okay, and it's double. Okay, so this is what we have here. See how much bigger it is? Because what you're gonna do is fold it to get this size. And that's gonna come on the sides. Okay. Okay, so now we are folding. Okay. Your pen. One more. This is how you fold it. This is like a quick tutorial, so I'm not trying to like iron it or nothing, because you are actually supposed to iron it so you can get the crease and the folds perfect. This is an at-home mask tutorial, guys. So this is what we have right now. As you can see, it's much smaller now. still big, but because we're gonna sew the sides. So right now, what I'm doing is sewing the sides that are pinned. Don't mind my ashy hands. So this is what we have right now. Okay guys, so this is what I have right now. As you can see, it's pretty done. I have to put the elastic now. Yeah. I'm going to be adding the elastic now. I'm trying to video it and sew it at the same time, which is very hard to do. But I'm gonna try. Okay, the thread came out. So I'm adding the elastic to it now. Side is done. I mean, it's still elastic, but I used this one to measure the length. The thread keeps coming out, so I have to thread it over. If you sew, you know what this is. I got it one time. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm gonna do the same. So this is the final look, guys. Don't mind how crazy I look right now. I just got home from work. I had such a long day. That's like the least of my problems. I just wanted to make these masks and show you guys how to make it if you need one, because as you know, there's a shortage because of this coronavirus, and I was actually inspired to make some masks. So if you need one, just send me a message and I can get one to you if you're in New York. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me comments, like, share, and subscribe this video. This is the first one that I made. As you can see, it's slightly bigger than this one. This one is bigger. It still works, but as you can see, this one is much closer to this size than to this one. So yeah, I'm glad I made a second one to, you know, this was like a try. This is the second one that I made. As you can see, it's much smaller. The elastic is much smaller and fits better. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be safe out there.